Our MIT concentration is 27 credits, out of which 18 credits is required courses, and then we have the remaining 9, out of which we have 3 credits for a required internship or a project that the students have to do, which is a hands-on. So now we have a requirement without which the students cannot graduate, and then the remaining 6 are for the electives. And similarly, in our business analytics concentration, we have 27 credits, where we have 18 in the required and the remaining 9, out of which 3 is a capstone project experience, and the remaining 6 are electives. The courses that our revised MIT curriculum includes is very different from what MIS used to be, because MIS is an old traditional degree where we used to give students a little bit of everything. They would do a little bit of programming, little bit of database design, but now we have moved on to uniquely identifying ourselves as something different than a computer science program. So what we have done is we have created the required course core, which comprises of IT infrastructure, which is basically gives students a good understanding of the enterprise-wide IT systems. So an overview. We have a database management systems course, which is how do you design and develop and what role databases play. We have a process analysis and enterprise systems course, which is basically underlying any IT system is process integration enterprise-wide. So how business processes need to be designed and integrated at an enterprise level, that is that business process analysis and enterprise systems courses. Then we have a course on project management, because I know our students will not immediately go and become project managers, but they will always, I tell these students, they will always be part of some project or the other. So as being part of a project team, they need to understand how to be an effective team member, how projects come about, how projects are developed, how resources are allocated. So we have a project management course. Then we have a course called Systems Design and Analysis. It's an advanced capstone course, and this is the last course which the students take. In this course, we actually make students do a real IT project, and we make them go through the SDLC, Systems Development Life Cycle, because now they have understood the pieces of the IT system. They actually do the requirements from the customers, they translate them into specifications, they do designing, and they actually then finally give the specifications and high-level architecture and design and present it to the customers. So this is a senior level course, and that's the last course that they do. And in between they do they take the electives and they do a 3-credit project. Currently we have students doing internships in UPS, in Gucci, in a few other companies, and we are working very closely with the prospective employers in making sure that our students get the right exposure so that they are ready for the job market.